Hi Libra, this is your reading for the coming week. That is the 15th of February to the 21st of February. This is a general reading, so please remember to take what resonates and leave what doesn't. This is Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus or Jupiter. Alright, Libra, take a deep breath. Allow energies to flow freely in and out of your life. All that is love, peace, harmony. Allow it to flow right in and let go of any negative emotions or attachments that you are holding on to. Alright, Libra, let's see. Alright, Libra, the first card out here you have Treasure Island. Second card out here is Why. And the third card out here is Fork in the Road. You may be feeling or experiencing that you have found your one, the one that you've been looking for. Or if it's a work, if it's a job that you've always wanted, the dream job or the dream person into your life, you got it. But I do sense some sort of like a fork in the road kind of thing. Like a little bit of trouble. It's not a major thing though, I feel. And you're wondering why is it happening. You are trying to understand what is it trying to teach you. This could be a cycle that is repeating. And you may be wondering why again. Alright, Libra. Let's see your past, present, future. You may be having to choose between something. You may be at crossroads. Let's see. All right. The overall energy for the reading is the Page of Wands. You may be curiously wondering, actually you are, because we have the Why card here. You may be exploring something new. I do sense a lot of free-spirited energy here. Maybe you've taken a leap of faith into something. Let's see. In the recent past, you have the Six of Swords, the Moon, and the Seven of Pentacles. You moved away from something. You moved away from a relationship or a job that I feel you have invested a lot of time in. Somewhere I do sense that even though you have moved away, you are still waiting for it. Maybe at the back of it all, there is still some waiting happening for you. In your current energies, you have Page of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, and the Knight of Cups. You have Ace of Cups at the heart of your reading. there is some sort of relationship that came your way, I feel, while you were inquisitive about your own experiences in life, about why is it that you are going through whatever it is that you're going through, and out of the blue maybe you somebody came into your life, I feel. While you were not even aware of it. Maybe while you were waiting for your past to come back, there was somebody new who showed up. In the immediate future, you have the Six of Cups, the Knight of Pentacles, and the Chariot. I do see that this relationship, most likely, sorry about that, most likely the relationship that walked into your life could be a past life soulmate, could be your past life soulmate. And I do see you moving forward with this. Maybe you are actually contemplating a little, but I do see some forward movement here. And I don't sense anything wrong with it so far. Let's see. Let's clarify. I don't think you really expected this. Because you were just curiously exploring life as it comes. Let's see. I would want to clarify the fork in the road here. Why do we have fork in the road? For Libra, clarify the fork in the road, please. Clarify the fork in the road, please, for Libra. Why do we have fork in the road? Right. All right. For the fork in the road, you have the Ten of Cups, the Three of Pentacles, and the Four of Pentacles. You may be holding on to your past person as well, Libra, and that could be the problem in the present relationship that you are into, or this person who has come towards you. Really time to let go of the past, Libra. I think this person who's come in, I guess that person is the one. I almost get this sense that you may be like on the verge of it, you may be about to let it go. Let's see. Let's clarify the Moon card there, please, in the recent past. Clarify the Moon, please. Something is changing for you, Libra. For the Moon, you get the Wheel. I honestly feel there's no more waiting. I think you do recognize the truth. Yeah, you do recognize the truth. You are getting past the illusions of no, it's going to come back. I very honestly don't sense a reconciliation here. I do see that there is somebody brand new coming in. Could be a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. That could actually go the distance. This person is your person, Libra, the one who's coming in. For some of you, this person may already be in. Just try to understand, if you were holding on to a past relationship and that person moved on and you were still waiting for it, I guess that's not meant to be. That's not your person. Whoever has come in after that. Maybe this person may not have come across as a king, but definitely as a knight. And I do see you leveling up to that. I do see y'all having the same kind of energy. And I do think y'all are moving forward together. Alright, Libra, Ace of Cups in the heart of the reading, definitely about love. The fork in the road here is to let go of your past completely. Heal it completely so the new person and you can walk your journey together. I do sense a strong connection here. A strong connection here. Alright, Libra, that's the message I have for you guys. I hope this resonated for whoever needed to hear this the most. Alright, until next time, Libras, see you soon. Bye-bye.